So we put on some chicken on the big green egg here, and we're going to cook that down slow. Well, actually it's slow because the temperature isn't up yet, so that'll be slow, won't it? Why wouldn't it be? But anyway, we're going to do that, and the wife made some beautiful German salad, potato salad. You can go back and see one of my videos back there. It's one of the highest viewed videos on the German salad. I guess people love it. So we made some more of that because that comes right from a local restaurant. We can't mention their name. We won't mention their name. But it was a recipe from an old German woman. So we stayed with it. And it's a 50-year-old recipe now. How you doing on that one? We got a beautiful meatloaf, maybe a couple pounds, a couple potatoes. And we're going to let the hardwood coal flavor it. It flavors it so delicious. It's you can't do it like that in the oven. You can't get that flavor of the hardwood coal in there. And that's what we really go for. We love that taste. Why wouldn't we? So here's our hop update. We got one growing all the way up to the sun. That's about 11 feet tall. And the one running down the wire be 10, 11, 12, almost 13 feet long. By the time it goes horizontal like that. And they're going crazy. This is the biggest one so far. The ones over to the right here, and with the grapes, they're just starting to top over the 10-foot mark. And things are going good. The tomatoes are coming in good. The garden's going good. Got Swiss chard growing. We got all kinds of stuff growing. And we got a beautiful meatloaf on there.
A little bit of this.
You got a shot out there to Tim's Brews. He's showing off his homemade wine today.
What you can say, I've already been drinking it.
He said he's already drinking it.
So
Looks pretty clear to me.
this here is really
So I don't know if
good.
the camera's even picking it up,
You
but
can't tell it's bread
we're sitting
yeast
out here
or
cooking a
nothing else.
meatloaf. Why wouldn't I? It's hot as a pistol today. Gonna go swimming. Gonna put some Chiavetta's chicken on the grill. I take my ceremonial chives and I throw that on the fire. Let it smoke up. And I slam my chicken on there.
Chiavetta chicken.
Chiavetta chicken. If I didn't say that already, I'm not sure. And we'll put enough on so we got leftovers. That's a fact. There's a lot of pieces there.
It's 2 chickens cut up. You wanted 2 chickens.
We got 2 chickens cut up here. For 2 people. I think we're crazy.
They were small chickens.
We'll set our dampers down to Mach 0. Come back and check that later. See what she's temperature in that. But once again, 22-year-old big green egg. We got the Chiavetta's chicken on. Grapes are growing good, and we're going to be jumping in that pool because it's headed up to 90 degrees here today in the outskirts of the city of Buffalo. So why wouldn't we? I took the old A coil from my air conditioner. Had a leak. I had it warranted. They replaced it for nothing. I had to pay for labor. The coil's $800 for that coil. So I blew it out. I ran some soap through it, blew it out. I hooked it to my pool. I started on a fire. Put it on that solar stove down there, start a fire under it, run the pool filter through it. I had steam coming out the other end. It was way too hot. Way too hot. So next fire I build to heat the pool, I'll just use some coal out of the bag or something. Or propane or something. It was way too hot, but it works like a champ. And it's blowing steam, for Christ's sake. And there we go. 6.5 hour cook on the ribs. We're going to take them in. Shut the big green egg down. 22 years. And another beautiful rib cook. Some radishes planted down here. You got the radishes planted. And here's Cascade hops. They run up that pole 10 feet. Then they turn and they run across the wire. And I got them going every which way up there this year. And they come across another 10 foot on average. So it's about 20 feet of Cascades just on that bush there. And I let them go wild this year. There's about 4 binds on each line. It's crazy. That one over here, not so much. Just a couple binds a piece. This one over here, about 3-4 binds a piece also. They're going crazy. We got potatoes growing over there, and the grapes are growing. Back over there by the wife, we got zillions of plum tomatoes coming up really nice, really nice. Over on the other side of the deck, there's some more plum tomatoes and grapes and cherry tomatoes. And you got behind me, we got cucumbers and peppers, hot peppers. I forget what else we got over there. But we got quite a bit going in the little yard here. So that's all you can do. Once again, I got the Chiavetta's chicken on the grill. She's doing really good. We're going to cook that for about 5 hours. Why wouldn't I? How you doing? Just enjoying the homebrew beer and stuff. I just got done emptying the keg of 8 naked lemons. They're all gone. All gone. The keg pissed empty. A little sad for that, but thank God we had an 18-pack of all-day IPA Founders. Great beer. How you doing, Plain? So yeah, that's what we're doing right now, is just enjoying some beers. I got the Chiavetta's chicken on, and she's been cooking now for, looking at the clock, 4 hours. 4 hours. So we'll be pulling that off shortly. We got a nice crab salad in the house to go with it. We are 4 hours in on Chiavettas. We do this all the time. Chicken. So we are now skin side down. And why wouldn't I? We'll hit it with a little bit more. For this amount, I usually go through almost a jar of this. It's crazy, ain't it? But these coals get so wet, they steam themselves to a deliciousness. So we'll open the damper and let it go a little further. Try to crisp up the skin, but here's our Chiavetta chicken. After 4 hours on the grill, slow cooking, skin side down, looking pretty dang good. Looking good. I love this stuff. And in we go. Been out here working all day, having a couple beers, and we're resting the old bones. Behind me, we set up today some benches. You had to put them all together. I must have put in about 155,000 screws. My hand's killing me. But anyway, that was my acting voice. Those who don't know me, that's my acting voice. But we put these wood chop bencher blocks together, all the way down the line there. All the way down in the cabinet over there. And you can't hear me because the bubble's in here. So that's just the way it goes. And a new shelf, a couple new shelves. So we're getting to go here, getting ready up for another brew. We're going to pony up for another brew shortly. But a nice gift was given to me. So I spent the day putting it all together. Why wouldn't I? I would have rather have paid somebody to do it because, oh man, like I say, I think there was 150,000 screws. Phillips screws anyway, so I should be happy they gave me a screwdriver. All right, that's enough beer for the old man. Oh, I wanted to be.